like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and think like them.
Hi guys. Yes, I've been to Dollar Tree. And it's a little mix of everything. But I'm getting ready to go watch kids again, so I'm trying to get stuff recorded because once they go to bed I can... This is out of a few Dollar Trees because I went around and I'm looking for the wired jute. None of ours have it, but supposedly they have it. That's what I've been looking for. If you find it, let me know where. And we all know we hate that, but this skull is a little bit bigger than the other ones they used to sell. And I don't know. I bet I can be this clown out of that. Scared. Dan's worst fear of his whole life is clowns. That's his worst fear ever. I'm like, okay, you're 4. And then I got this because I got those collapsible ones, but they're not very big. And when you're making a box of macaroni and cheese, you know, because you're cheating, because you're bored. I mean, because you're busy. You shouldn't have to take 2 trips to the colander. So I got me a new one of these. I had one for years and years, and it finally broke. I probably had it 20 years. So I said, well, I'm gonna get that. I got me some batteries because I got the lights for over my bed, you know, for those chandeliers, but I needed batteries. And then also I wanted to spray paint, you know, the black part on them silver so they blend in. I don't know where they are. Anyway, then I got my pretzels. These exact same pretzels are $3.50 for the same size and everything at Kroger's. And you get them for, what is it, $1.25? Worth of $1.50 now. It's crazy. They got everything marked. You don't know. You don't know. And then I did something. Oh, this is Freeman Overnight Cream. I thought, well, I'll try that. I'll try it, whatever. Let's see what it smells like. Let me get the trash down here because I'm waiting for a big package to come today. Then I can take off, but I don't want to leave it out on my porch. We'll just use it like that. I smell nothing. Which to me is a good thing. I don't like my cream to have all kinds of... And it does soak in fairly fast. And then I got this. And it's supposed to put like spiders and stuff on your ceiling. Which my grandkids love shit like that. So I'll probably take them up too. Anyway, just to irritate Dad. Because that's what I do. Let's see. How many? Oh, I hate it when they screw that. Anyway, we'll do that at a different time and place. And I got some more of those concentrated facial serums. Helps nourish your skin with vitamin C. 10 biodegradable capsules. They got me some new razors. And then I got a face mask. And I got a lip and eye mask. But I also got something else I have never seen. It's a thigh mask. I have never seen that. Got hydro on the back of the thigh area on clean, dry skin. Let it nourish your own skin for 10 to 20 minutes. Avoid. And then it says avoid sitting while in use. You think? So here's my Sunday spa day. And then I got bathtub finger paint for the girls. Well, the kids. Daniel will use it too. I'll take the seal off. They are sealed, but I'll take the seal off. Whoa! That's what it looks like. It does smell like strawberry. I'm making a mess with it, but I swear I can blame it on the kids later. Would I do that? It smells like strawberry. It does. It kind of blobs out, though. You gotta be careful. Especially when you're dealing with a 2-year-old and 1-year-old, but here, let's use it this way. So you can see, it is definitely pink. See, it's definitely pink. It's that right there. But it's soap. I'm making finger paint on the walls and stuff in the bathtub. Okie is over her fear of getting her hair washed. She's over her fear of water. And now every time you change a diaper, both of their diapers, it's bath. And this is purple. Let's see if they can draw in it. But it's soap. Okay, so I got them that. And then I got them these. I've never seen these before. It's called bath slime. And it's just slime for the bathtub. I assume it's sweet berry scent. It does smell like berries. It does smell like berries. But anyway, that's that. Oops. I need this. But I knew these were a lot more expensive on Amazon because that's where I was looking for them. And I said, well, I'll just pick those up because I didn't even, first of all, I didn't know this existed. But the finger paint one, this one's supposed to smell like cherry. Whoa. This came because I told my friend that I'd been playing with slime for my hands. She said, well, there's just some slime. That's not what I exactly wanted, but I will take it. So there is. And I have 2 lights for in there, and I can't find them to save them up. And I put them up. Put them up so the kids wouldn't get them. So it's really hard to say where they are now. But oh well. Come on back. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. You know what people need love too. Bye.